Welcome in a new course in Revit 2019. It's completely free from A to Z. Make subscribe and follow our videos under Revit 2019 course playlist and check other playlist also. Thank you. Let's start. In this video we'll speak about other components you can load in the Revit project. To finish your project you only need window and door. You need other things for furniture and plumbing and so on. To put it as we make in the door, we go to door and load from family. But because to make other component, you go to architecture tab and from here you can make component from here. Just you click on it, you can be open for you. There is the default. It's coming by your software, and if you need to change or add, you can make load family from here. As example, I need bath tabs. To get bath tabs, you must go to your library in this project data autodesk Revit library UK plumbing architecture fixture and go to bathroom. I will open here until this to understand. I will go to UK from here and from it I go to plumbing. You need to check everything from here to understand everyone and what you need to finish your work. I will go to plumbing and from architecture I take fixtures, and from here I can take bath tab. Take care, there is 1, 2 and too much thing. If you need more than one or you need double or triple, you can select it like this by shift, or if you need this and the last one or other one, you can make it by control as you need. Take care, there is here 2D and other one is 3D. The meaning of 2D, this it will be appear only on the plans, but when you make 3D view, you not found it. I will put for you the two, this 2D, this 3D to understand what I need. I will click here by shift. I click this because it's down and make open. Okay, just I open here this 3D and the other one is 3D here. If you have too much thing here, you can just go here out by skip and go to component. From this you can search. Just click here and search. I search about the plumbing. I take 3D as example. Take care. I take 3D. Now I can make a snapping, and by using this temporary dimension, I can put it. I can put like this. This rotate. I can pick. This is the ordinary space for it inside the bathroom. But I put here to understand what's the difference between 2D and 3D. If I put here, take care. This is 3D. This 3D, take care, it's appear beside the wall, aligned to the wall. I will click here and I will go to component. For the second, I can go here and put here. Okay, in the 2D, the 2 is appear because the 3D appear in 2D and 3D, but this 2D only appear in 2D only. I will make a skip. One skip. I will go here. And if I need to change anything, I can. As example, I have here too much thing, but let me take work from this. When I make this snap, I go here, I can put here. If I need to be in the other one, just I come for this and make tab space. Okay, click space on keyboard, he make a line for it. The same thing if you have like this inclined wall, take care, just you put here or other way he will give you by space bar. He gives this option. After this you finish, you can make it as you need. You can make by temporary, you can change its location, or you can make for it move from here if you need as example, or copy if also you need from here, or align, and all modification here you can make for it as example. I will go to 3D to see you what's the difference between 2D and 3D. From here, I make shift and scroll the wheel. Take care what's happened. I will hold the wheel and make shift, and we speak about this about in navigation in the Revit. Take care this 2D and this 3D. This is the meaning of it. The other thing, you can load not only your default family, you can load this from another project or from online, or this sometimes you find some of this in the seeking. We will speak about it in Autodesk. And make this one. You can make everything for modification, as we say. We can make, like for the other component, make modification from this tab. If I go here 3D and select this one, now if you make shift and hold your scroll, you will make navigation for this one. It is sometimes useful because sometimes you need to move about this one. You select and make orbit for it. You can also make this orbit from here. If you go here 3D, take care, you will go to the default, and from here it will make for you what you need. I will make escape and make 3D here. Take care, I just click here, I select this edge and just hold the mouse, left mouse, and rotate. Okay, he give me this shape if you need, or you can from shift and hold your scroll, you can give free orbit. This is everything we need to speak about today. Thank you and see you in another video.